Alright, good morning. It's Wednesday, I think, and we were actually going to leave to head home from Virginia, but we woke up to no power and basically an ice storm. So now we got the generator out and finally got our coffee, so gonna head in and start the fireplace, get a little heat, get some coffee, and go from there. Alright, so we got everything set up here at my dad's trailer in Virginia. We obviously got a ice storm here, and yeah, power's still out. We got that much ice on the branches. But in any case, it's February 12th, Wednesday, and we got the generator set up. Got the fireplace going, got extension cords run, and yeah, got the generator going. So we were gonna leave today, but the roads are still bad, and we got to put all this stuff away when the power does come back. Hopefully sometime today. So anyway, we're in a holding pattern, and get back with you later when we get motivated here, get something going on. Thanks for hanging in there with us. See ya. Alright, well, we're in Dad's driveway. We found a couple of trees on the primary right here. And
they're pretty heavy.
yeah.
We need something big to hit them with.
Yeah, like a sledgehammer. But if they put the main line in, Dad's fuse is gonna blow. Alright, so we got a makeshift light. We ran the cord in, and we got the fireplace started. So we'll get a little heat in here, and we'll have coffee in the refrigerator and a little bit of heat. See what happens. Alright guys, so it's almost 2:30. Still in Virginia in this ice storm. There's a ton of power out. And the ice don't seem to be melting from the trees at all. So we're gonna take a ride, see if we can at least find the problem, but I don't even think they're working on this part, because we're in the middle of nowhere, so we might be screwed here for a while. But we're gonna take a ride, see what we can find. Ain't nothing else to do. Got the generator still going, so we'll get back with you. I'm gonna take a little ride, see what the problem is, but it ain't looking good out here. That's for sure.
That fuse is going right there.
Yeah, it is.
But that ain't the feed, right?
No, that's a takeoff.
Yes.
Alright, so we found an open blade feeding from this direction, so they got a lot of wire to look at before they get our power back, so we're in trouble here for tonight. Alright, so the fuse is floating right here, down here on this corner. The pole number's up.
97586.
Okay.
975868, if that's the way they read it.
All right. So we found the problem. Fuse is blown at the end of the street, and there's your tree. It took the wire down in this section. The neutral and the primary. What's the pole number? 975763. We'll get a picture of it, but there we go. We ain't getting the power back for a while. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to call Southside Electric and tell them what the actual problem is, and give them some pole numbers so maybe we can speed this along a little bit and see what happens. So we never did get our power back. We ended up hardwiring the heater to the generator just to get some extra heat that night, and we left the next morning. Power still was not back, so we're back here in Jersey. Hopefully the good folks down there in Southside Virginia, Keysville area, hopefully they got their power back and all is well. So appreciate you guys watching, and thanks for hanging in there with us. See you on the next one.